Howdy y'all. In today's painting I'm going to be painting another cat. It seems to be a recurring theme. I will paint other things eventually. I don't know. Cats are easy for me to paint and I'm all for the easy. Make yourself work smarter, not harder. So stick with what you're good at, I guess. So that's why I did another cat. Also, I've never painted my cat Charlie, and with as many black cats I've painted, I was starting to feel like he was being left out a little too much. So I also did that. I'm not gonna do a reveal shot in this intro, but if you're just here to see it finished, go ahead and skip to the end. I don't mind. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I do a few random tidbits of voice in this, but not much, so don't really worry about it. I was trying to do a live stream for this video, but the phone's getting worse. So hopefully by the end of the month or beginning of next month I can buy a new phone. That's if we're not all dead, because apparently the world's ending currently. Yeah, so if you're sick, if you're at home today, I hope my video brings you a little bit of joy in this dark time. Alright, here we go. I'm trying to do a firefly painting today. I don't know how this will go, but yeah, at least I'm doing something. I did want some of this nice dark purple color I have over here. Where are you? Deoxazine purple. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's what the color is. It's super dark, but it's like vibrant also. It just looks black there, but it's a nice purple. Let's see how this goes. Vermilion it is, because it came busting out of the tube. Guys, clouds. Charlie, where are you? I need you. Okay, I am back. I looked at the cat. Hopefully I don't forget what he looks like. So I redid my lines for flower placement and dragonfly placement off camera just because I needed to hold the canvas to do it. And I changed up a few things from the original sketch like I normally do. But yeah, I just went back in with that nice white pen Bailey J got me onto. Love that pen. And yeah, it's real handy for just getting your lines back in. So, shout out again to the awesome Bailey J. So far, I'm liking how my grass is doing. Cat hair in my brush. Ava went crazy. I started jumping at her, and she grabbed her sock and she like tug-of-warred the best she's ever tug-of-warred. She was like whipping her head and everything.
She got the bottle out.
Yeah, she ripped it in half. I don't need a face. Why is it asking me to find a face? Oh, I must have clicked a thingy. I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna annoy me. What is happening? Just regular live mode. Okay. Alright, I think I fixed it. Okay. Helps to be in frame. Alright. Need to get out some colors. Ava, what are you doing? Ava! Yeah, I gotta check and see what the hell is. I was just Rene eating his food. You gotta check on them. They're like children sometimes. You don't know what they're gonna do. So, if you have seen any of my art before at all, you'll notice poppies are something recurring that I do. And it's mostly because historically poppies basically should be the symbol of history, because poppies are the beginning of all drugs in my eye anyway, and majority of human greed. Mostly because I see the main factor in greed as not wanting to feel pain, and poppies were the first drug. So that's about the gist of that, you know, getting all drunk and crazy on y'all. Rene is talking about poppies and drugs. She must be insane. No, I just had a weird history professor in college who basically made the whole semester about how poppies pretty much rule the world. But just pay me no mind. I've been drinking. Alright, let's try this again. This phone is being a pooper. So, I don't know how much was missed there, but my bad. Mixture of crappy internet and a not so great phone. live stream just got interrupted, and I kind of had a temper tantrum, I guess. But I'm getting back into what I was doing. So, here we go. painting. In all seriousness, though, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you missed it, I had a freak out last night. It's because nothing was working and I lost connection, and I was having fun on my live stream. But my goal was to try to achieve glow better this time around, because I have painted fireflies before, and this was just another attempt I did. I love how Charlie turned out. I think that's the best cat I've ever painted. And you know, the flower inside glow with the dragonflies inside the flower didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to, but it's okay. I like it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun painting. It was a new experience for me, trying to accomplish a glow inside a flower and like a glow on grass. I don't know if you can tell, but I tried to show shadow through the grass. I can speak. But yeah, I like how it turned out. I wish I was able to make the flowers a little brighter, but I don't know, fear and worry of making it too orange, because Charlie is so orange already. I think glitter is just going to be my thing for now. I like adding glitter. It makes the painting look different from any way you look at it. And yeah, you'll notice I do a lot of poppies and a lot of cats because I enjoy painting cats. So thank you for being here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We got a lot of new subscribers, and thank you all for that. Once we get to 100 subscribers, I'll do an 8x10 giveaway, and it'll be this size and it'll be on panel board, just because that's the easiest to ship, and the panel board doesn't cost me very much. And you notice I spend, like, even though these videos are condensed down speed art videos, roughly each 8x10 painting takes me anywhere from 2.5 hours to 4. And you know, that's a lot of work considering. And if I pay what I think I actually deserve, you're still getting a deal. Because I know people that'll sell an 8x10 for $300. So, not to be a jerk, because I think, you know, art, if it's the original, is worth a lot, because that person pours a lot of time and effort into what they do. Like, most people don't see it, but you do. Each brush stroke is significant. You're just like, this is a piece of me, and it's going to go be with this person. At least that's how I look at it, you know. Crazy art types, ugh, crazy, eccentric maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a free giveaway at 100 subscribers. I may make it subscriber's choice. I may do a random pick and then message you and ask you what you would like me to paint. I may have a choice between 3 subjects. I don't know yet, but as soon as we get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some free art. And typically, I sell one of these for anywhere from $75 to $100, depending on how much time I spend on it. And typically I don't make prints of my work. I think it makes them more special if you don't, but I understand prints are more affordable for most, that dang stutter, for most people. And I would like to do prints, but even though I've lived where I've lived for a while, I'm unaware of any printers that will work with me, let me bring stuff in, scan it, not be a jerk about it, you know, because the last printer I used, he obviously hated his job. I can understand why, because I have some friends that work at print shops, and let me tell you, they tell me some stories. But I'm not very tech savvy. All I want to do is go in, either scan my work or have the option to photograph it. Some printers do have the option to photograph your work and get prints and a decent price quote for, 100 8x10 prints, because that's typically how I do a piece. I only do runs of 100, and yeah, I would really like to start selling pieces. So if you're in West Virginia on the west side and you're aware of a printer that will help me out, please feel free to message me and let me know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day. If you're in quarantine, I hope this helps. Yeah, thank you for being here. Please like, share, and subscribe and all that jazz. Love you, bye.